Comforter. In this world of unpredictable situations, the joys and pains, the highs and lows, the mending of broken hearts, the molding of awakened souls, the remembrance of our soul's journey, the contradictions of everyday existence, a comforter was sent to us, embedded within our soul, reminding us of our strength, endurance, persistence, resistance, and victories. The comforter is always around as a witness to our earthly journey, as a master guide to our existence, shining the light to our next steps, cheering us on as we hold up in the waiting room, gracing us with daily mercies, bestowing confidence in the life path we have chosen. The comforter, smoothing our soul, glowing from inside out, giving reassurance through though the journey is long, unpredictable, full of contradictions. You shall see it through. The cosmic rewards are in hand. The comforter is always around.